Did you know that email marketing is one of the most effective ways to reach new customers and grow your small business? Hi everyone, welcome back to The Local Marketer, the channel dedicated to helping small businesses grow in their local communities. I'm Angela Bell, your trusted guide to all things modern marketing, and in this video, we're going to talk about email list building for your small business. Today's topic is perfect for small business owners who don't have much experience with online advertising, have little time and money to spend on marketing, but still want to attract new customers and grow their business. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to build an email list and why it's essential for your small business. I'll be discussing and showcasing graphics and visuals of some of the top email marketing tools available to small businesses, including MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ConvertKit, and their features. These tools offer a range of features that can help you create and manage your email campaigns effectively, from designing beautiful templates to automating your emails and tracking your results. Depending on your business needs and your budget, you can choose the email marketing tool that best suits your requirements. So let's dive in and explore those email marketing tools and their benefits for your small business. MailChimp is one of the most popular email marketing tools available, and for a good reason. It's user-friendly, affordable, and comes with a wide range of features that make it easy for small businesses to create and send email campaigns. With MailChimp, to use MailChimp, simply create an account, import your email list, and start creating your email campaigns. Constant Contact is another popular email marketing tool that is designed for small business. It offers a range of features including email templates, list management, automation, and reporting. With Constant Contact, you can create beautiful emails quickly and easily, and then track your results to see how your campaigns are performing. To use Constant Contact, sign up for an account, import your email list, and start creating your email campaigns. ConvertKit is an email marketing tool that is designed for bloggers, authors, and content creators. It offers features like automation, list segmentation, and customer opt-in forms that make it easy to grow your email list and engage with your subscribers. With ConvertKit, you can create automated email sequences that are triggered by specific actions, such as a subscriber signing up for your email list or making a purchase on your website. To use ConvertKit, create an account, set up your opt-in forms, and start creating your automated email sequences. These email marketing tools are great options for small businesses looking to build and manage their email lists. They each offer different features and pricing plans, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your business needs and budget. Email marketing is a great way to build a relationship with your customers and keep them informed about your business. But before you can start sending emails, you need a list of people who have given you permission to send them emails. That's where the email list building comes in. Building an email list is an essential part of any successful email marketing strategy. And there are a variety of effective techniques that you can use to grow your list. So here are some tips to get you started. Create a compelling lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource that you offer to people in exchange for their email address. This can be anything from an ebook to a checklist to a video tutorial. Make sure that your lead magnet is valuable and relevant to your target audience so they'll be motivated to sign up. Use pop-ups and slide-ins. Pop-ups and slide-ins are small windows that appear on your website, inviting visitors to sign up for your email list. They can be highly effective, but it's important to use them sparingly and make sure that they don't disrupt the user experience. Run social media contests. Social media contests can be a fun way to engage your audience and encourage them to sign up for your email list. Ask people to share your content or even tag a friend to enter the contest and require them to provide their email in order to participate. Leverage partnerships. Partnering with other businesses or influencers in your industry can be a great way to reach new audiences and grow your email list. You can offer a joint webinar, a co-branded lead magnet, or simply just cross-promote each other's content to drive signups. Remember, building an email list is an ongoing process. It's important to continuously test and refine your approach to see what works best for your business. By using a combination of these techniques and staying consistent, you can steadily grow your email list and strengthen your relationships with your customers. Email marketing is a valuable strategy for maintaining a strong relationship with your customers and keeping them up to date on your business. Before you can begin sending emails to potential customers, it's crucial to establish an email list. Email marketing tools such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, and ConvertKit are helpful in creating visually appealing templates, automating your emails, and tracking your progress. It's essential to select the email marketing tool that best meets your business needs and budget, as each tool has different features and pricing plans. To construct an email list, consider offering an incentive, utilizing a sign-up form on your website or social media, or organizing an event to gather email addresses from other potential customers. Remember, small steps lead to big wins. Keep taking those steps and keep growing your local business. And don't forget to like and subscribe to The Local Marketer for more tips and tricks on how to grow your small business.